Here we are heading south towards Dugout Rocks. Can't quite see them out there yet. So we're right around Smith Sound on the Stelmar, heading south. We've got our barge with us. Sort of a gray day. Weather sounds good for the crossing at Cape Caution. There's Calvert Island over on our starboard. That's heading up towards, looking up towards Addenbrooke and Namu. That goes straight to Russia. There's a pod of humpback whales over here. If they get close enough, we'll be getting that video.